Today we decided to share some life hacks for choosing the optimal final contour. We receive plenty of them, but how do we determine which is the best? This process requires an individual approach. We'll show you how to analyze the obtained results in K-Mine software. To start, we can observe how blocks are incrementally added as the price adjustment coefficient increases. This can be visualized in both cumulative and incremental modes. Based on how blocks accumulate, conclusions can be drawn about which contour is optimal, whether it's the last one with a significant block increase, or whether you should direct your future pushbacks toward achieving the best NPV indicator. The sequence of additions ensures this. Next, we move on to analyzing the calculation results using graphs specifically pre-configured for K-Mine users. These graphs clearly illustrate how mining volumes, economic indicators, and other parameters change with different price adjustment coefficients for the final product. Here, you can also make decisions regarding the final contour selection. You can determine which coefficient provides the highest NPV, at which coefficient the substantial growth of valuable minerals stops, and much more. We also took care of users by offering another way to choose the optimal final contour, by specifying the desired marginal profit value. The corresponding result with the price adjustment coefficient will be marked in yellow. Additionally, run-of-mine graphs are available, showing the volume of mined material removal from the pit, or quality, and the final product quantity. By carefully analyzing all graphs, users can make a confident decision, and for greater certainty, the analysis can continue. Now, let's take a more detailed approach. Let's take a close look at the results table. It includes all necessary calculated indicators, such as mined material removal, costs, coefficients, etc. The table data is available in different viewing modes: incremental, differential, and cumulative. You can also expand each result to see even more details. Adjust the final table's appearance, move columns. There's even an option to create quick charts. And for better informativity, data export to Excel is available. The export feature offers two methods: a full export that precisely matches the results table with all embedded data, a simplified export containing only key indicators, usually sufficient for an in-depth analysis with chart building. Here are a few examples of graphs you can build for a deeper analysis of the obtained results. You can compare different results in a single space, visualize profitability or quality, mined material volumes, and more. The only limit here is our imagination. The material for analysis is all available. Next, let's go back to K-Mine and create final wireframes corresponding to each price adjustment coefficient for the final product. By visualizing them one by one, we track the sequence, analyze the results, and smoothly transition to cross-section construction. As an option, we can display geology and contours on the cross-section. This allows us to assess how fully the deposit is extracted, whether it has potential for future work, or even consider transitioning to underground mining. The cross-sections can be built in both 2D and 3D modes. The difference is that for a 2D cross-section, you need to specify the section location, whereas in 3D, the cross-section is created directly along a predefined line. Of course, there are countless ways to analyze the data, all aimed at achieving the best final result, depending on specific conditions. We have shown you the most common methods. Build cross-sections in any direction, analyze the results, choose the optimal contour for your conditions, and enjoy the result.